Hello, little chefs. Today we're gonna do cornbread. So the ingredients we're gonna need is buttermilk, butter, cornmeal, flour, white sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and eggs. The first step for this recipe is please put the oven onto 400 degrees. Next step is we're gonna mix together all the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna mix together all the liquid ingredients. Now we're gonna put the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. So now we're gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter in our skillet. Then we're gonna add in our mixture in our skillet. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for 25 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.